Sound like somebody's coming up the hill. Anytime somebody's coming up in the hills, the whole place, the whole of the dog them up in the hills light up. The worship of somebody who don't know. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Warrency TV. Yeah, back at it again, guys. Up in the hills, just building a vibes. Me and the crickets them are my company tonight. Sound like somebody's coming up the hill. Anytime somebody's coming up in the hills, the whole place, the whole of the dog them up in the hills light up. Especially the worship of somebody who they don't know. They must run off for the Lord, them a dog because we heat them alive. They almost eat the tough the other day and they say, hold on, I don't remember you, Manix. But anyway guys, chill out up in the hills and you hear them? Getting ready to cook some dinner. Brother gonna get a pound and a half. Gonna went down by the shop to get a pound of mixed flour and tin of mackerel, because that's what I feel for, believe me. Breadfruit, mixed flour. When I say mixed flour, you have the flour and you put in a portion of cornmeal in it, so that's what we call mixed flour. I haven't had it in a while, and you say you're gonna deal with it, so we're gonna be cooking some mixed flour cornmeal dumpling. I think that's what we usually call it. And cook a tin of mackerel and then breadfruit also. Yeah, that's what I feel for dinner tonight. I have this to give to somebody tomorrow. We now mention who we're gonna do, who we're gonna give it to. We're gonna see who it is. You can see the bag, Clarks. Yeah. So we have a brand new pair of Clarks. No wear yet. See the bottom there? Yeah. So wear yet guys. So I'm going to bless somebody with it tomorrow. Yeah. Me have also some other stuff that I'm gonna give to some people. Yeah. That's just how I am guys. That's just how I am, you know. Yesterday, we have like 2 cup noodles in the place and Mr. G said, yo, you want a cup, you know, send go a shop to go buy 1 cup noodle. And I say, yo, man, that 2 can be, man. I really fancy them still, you know. I brought down 2 in my suitcase. And I say, yo, you got 2 on the black candy, you know. He say, you serious, man? Yeah, man, you know, see something road from long time, man. You deal with one now, you deal with one later. You know, see something road, you see it. And you say, boy, man, you know, see how easy. Say, yo, the thing go way back, man. So, I bless somebody with this tomorrow. And we also have another pair. We have 2 more pairs in the bar that come. Bless to somebody with them same way too. You know. Yeah. See how the thing go. Was the hurricane Beryl blow off all the pears them off of the tree, guys. All the pears them off of the tree. And I was standing right at the edge there, so yesterday, and just looking down on the project that we're gonna do, and I saw this thing glift like the light bouncing off of its shiny surface. And I said, hold on, is that a pear on the tree? So one of my workers that was here today, I said to him, yo, I'm gonna get a stick and I'm gonna let you juke it and I'm gonna catch it. The last one, guys, this is the last pear survived Hurricane Beryl. And this is one of 4 breadfruit that remained on the tree. Even the breadfruit tree knows say I was coming to Jamaica. And he saved 4 breadfruit from the tree. We roast 2 yesterday. We're gonna cook 1 tonight and then we're gonna do the next one tomorrow. And you see 1 pear from listen guys. Yeah. Nice and dry. See 1 finny. And nobody else has seen it. I saw it. And I picked it. So hopefully it can get ripe and I can eat it with some 100% Jamaican Buddha. We are going to eat it and show you still, guys. See. So we're waiting on the bro to come up from the road with the mackerel and the flour. And we're gonna cook some food tonight. I am hungry. He said that just buy a cracker. I said no, I don't feel for no crackers. I want boiled breadfruit, cornmeal flour dumpling, and some mackerel. I haven't ate that in a minute. That's what I want. So I'm doing with it, guys. Yeah, it's a nice night up in the hills. Yeah, the crickets them. Yeah. So today I gave out some clothes to a student. He was so happy, man. So happy. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna cook some food tonight. Yeah. You know what I ate all morning, guys? I had a container of what do you call it? Great Value. Great Value is what? Walmart brand. Yeah, I found a container with some cherries. That's what I had for breakfast all morning. I haven't ate anything. I'm trying to lose some weight. Yeah, I've just been drinking water. But I can't take the hungry no more. We're gonna cook some food tonight, guys. Yeah. Gotta cook some food tonight, man. So waiting on the bro to come up off the street and just light up the stove and cook. I don't care what time we finish cook tonight. We're gonna cook. See? And then just be love vibes. So I'm gonna deliver this tomorrow. Definitely gonna deliver this tomorrow. Definitely gonna deliver it tomorrow. The sneakers that I brought down for the young man that is playing basketball in school. I called the father yesterday and said, yo, I brought down a pair of sneakers for your son for his thing. Frost. 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 That was Frost coming out. And I told him that, yo, I brought a pair of sneakers for your son. He said, you're serious? He said, yeah, man. He said, man, boy come right in time because boy I don't have the money to buy. You need one and I don't have the money to buy one right now. So I said thank you. So I have it inside the house. I don't know if he's gonna come pick it up tomorrow. Maybe not. I don't know. So he's very happy. Yeah. So we'll see how that work out tomorrow, guys. I'm talking to you right now. I'm tired here cutting down some bushes down there to finish up the road project. Yeah. So guys, you see this what you see? I'm sitting on right here. This is, and some people won't even believe when well, I mentioned it in a previous video. And it was well received. Then you got some people like rare. I tell them say, yo, I clean toilets in America. You know this. Up in the hills. Yeah. I know I'm here just chilling out, guys. Even if you're working something that they call a menial job, you still can make a life out of it, guys. Believe me, you still can make a life out of a menial job. You can make life out of little, guys. You know, so you spend your little life. You don't let them fool you and think you have to have a barrage of money, a barrage of cash to do great stuff in life. Don't let them fool you, guys. They have a saying in Jamaica, one cocoa, full basket. You know what is that behind me, guys? That right there is Montego Bay. See it lights up? Yeah, that's the city right there. Second city of Jamaica, Montego Bay. Yeah. So guys, waiting on the guy to come with the flour, the mixed flour and the mackerel, so can light up the stove and cook some food. You see it? Got me hungry. Hungry bud. Yeah. You know, got nothing in the house to cook right now. Seriously. Yeah, guys, see me bucking like I want to sleep. Yeah. But we're gonna see, because I'm still cooking tonight, guys. Still cooking. Yeah. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Have yourself a blessed one, guys. See you on the next video.